There is one that says he's not eating. Wait, that one will not they eat. Let me check him. I'm going to take him along. If he's not eating, let me take him and go and attend to him. Yeah. Small one. This one. Now when it start, when it start. But this is the okay. Yeah, it's reducing in size. It's reducing in size. Later we'll catch him and carry and go. Me and go treat him. Yeah, feeding this week, they okay. Oh. I said the way you feed them this week, they okay. And their body they shine. Continue like this or even improve them. If not 3 hours in the morning, do 2 hours in the evening, join them. They are doing well.